Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Yoyo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a super cool Yo-Yo trick. 3 things for you in this video. You'll be using the terrarium by One Drop. It is nearly midnight right now, so we've got to keep it down. And this video is obviously sponsored by Yoyo UK, so you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Otherwise, yeah. Here's the tutorial, and here's what the trick looks like from my perspective. So yeah, that's the trick. Anyway, yeah, here's how you do it. So you're going to start off with by rolling into a 1.5 mount, but instead of making it a normal 1.5 mount, you're actually going to do this little wrap here, and then roll into a 1.5 mount. This is important for that first slack. So to do that first slack, what you're going to want to do is you're almost going to double in, but as you double in, you're going to do like a branding. And what that does is it creates that cool slack effect, especially if you have like just a little pinch as you double on. It will create a cool little slack effect which has the slack go round instead of like a branding hop. Anyway, after doing that little slack, what you're going to do now is cross your arms as you like roll the yo over like so. This will get you an attention hook mount. To do that, you're basically, as you roll up, you're basically just trying to roll onto these 2 strings like so. And after landing onto these 2 strings, you should be in the mount, which allows you to create that tension hook. So from that tension hook, where you're trying to land is you're going to let go of your index finger on your throw hand, sorry. That's going to release the slack, which is then going to go around and land into the gap of the yo-yo like a keychain mount. That should look like this. As you can see, it's not actually too hard. It just looks quite cool, so anyway, from that keychain mount, you're going to do one of his hooks. If you need any help learning this hook, there's a tutorial on his channel, so I'll leave it linked in the description below. But yeah, that's the hook. And then from that hook, because it's double, you're going to roll out once. And then as you roll out that second time, you're going to go over your throw hand like so. And then you're going to undercut this back string. Right, there's like a string set of 2 and a string set of 1. Undercut the 1. And then let go of that top string like so. Then you're going to twist, pointing towards yourself and then out like so. And this should form like a little tower thing when you land onto that back string. From there you can pinch with your thumb and your like palm like so, and that will drop a slack, and then that slack can be pulled apart and then create another tension hook. So anyway, yeah, you've got that slack formation. Oops, I dropped it into there. So you've got that slack formation and you're putting your finger into the middle and you like roll onto there. And then from here, you're basically doing the same thing as the keychain, but this time over your non-throw hand, so like that. This shouldn't be too hard. I think it'll be quite easy to work out just by looking at it, but if you need like any extra help with it, just DM me at Kieran Yoyo on Instagram. And from there you can bind or do whatever you want. And that is the whole trick. So yeah, if you have any comments, let me know. Go over it one more time for you. Funny 1.5 mount, do that weird slack thing. Undercut, keychain, yo-yo hook, undercut, drop string, roll onto it, little slack, and then just tension hook. and bind. And yeah, that's the whole tutorial. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, peace.